Hey friends, welcome back for another video, or welcome if you are new. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning up the dining area and the kitchen. This is after breakfast, but it's really late in the day because baby boy is extremely miserable and fussy and he did not go down for a morning nap. So all of this was just left around while I was just trying to be nice to him. Products that I use in today's video and some of the items from my kitchen and so on will be linked below. You may not find direct links to different items, but if you click on my Amazon link, it will take you to my page where you'll find different lists with different items. So you'll find a list with my kitchen items, a list with my cleaning items, a list with my laundry favorites, that sort of thing. go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you like cleaning and laundry videos, you'll find some of those here. You can also go back in time and see some pregnancy update videos. At the time of recording, baby boy is almost 8 months old. So if you like that kind of content, you can check out my different playlists. I have a playlist with cleaning, decluttering and organizing, and I have a laundry motivation playlist, and I have a number of different playlists as well, so you can check those out. has been overheating and shutting off, and I had a meeting this particular day, so when the camera did shut off, I just continued cleaning while I waited on it to cool down. So you will miss parts of the video. You'll notice that you miss parts of the video, but in the end you will see the after. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you right here in another 3 days with another video. Bye.